Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Trees app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just scroll down, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then just go here above this sign, you click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then just click here on account, you just click on account here. You come to next step here, click here on Fediverse here sharing, just click on it. Then you just click here on turn off sharing here, or turn sharing off. Then you click on OK. So then here automatically it's going to disable with you here on your Threads app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.